Hello there. I am Maria Nualma Avila and I am from the Philippines. I graduated with a degree of Bachelor in Special Education and on the process of finishing my master's degree in Master of Arts in Special Education. I have been a teacher for more than a decade. My teaching philosophy as a special education teacher is grounded in the belief that every student has the ability to learn, grow, and succeed when provided with the appropriate support, patience, and opportunities. My goal is to help students build not only academic skills, but also independence, resilience, and self confidence. I strive to understand each learner's strengths, challenges, interests, and learning styles so that I can provide instruction that is meaningful and accessible to them. Building strong relationships with students is also essential because when students feel supported and understood, they are more motivated to participate, take risks, and engage in learning. To support this philosophy, I design well structured and purposeful lesson plans that address the diverse needs of my students. A good lesson plan begins with a clear and measurable learning objectives that align with curriculum standards and students' individualized education program or their IEP goals. I also incorporate engaging lesson hooks to activate prior knowledge and capture students' interest before introducing new concepts. Instruction is delivered through explicit and step by step teaching methods, often using the I do, we do, you do model. This structured approach helps students develop understanding gradually and builds their confidence in applying new skills. Effective lesson plans also include differentiated instruction to meet varying ability levels within the classroom. I integrate visual supports, hands-on activities, manipulatives, and simplified instruction to make learning more accessible and engaging. Accommodations and modifications are carefully considered to ensure that students can fully participate in the lesson and demonstrate their understanding. I use formative assessments such as exit tickets or short tasks to determine whether students have met the learning objective. One experience that strongly shaped my teaching approach involved working with a student who was known to be a runner, meaning the student would often leave the classroom when feeling overwhelmed or frustrated. Instead of responding only when the behavior occurred, I implemented proactive strategies to support the student. I established clear and consistent routines and built a trusting relationship with the student and provided a visual schedule so the student knew what to expect throughout the day. Over time, these